Hello guys, this is Brijan Sharma again, and today we will be looking over the HTML tables. So we go with the folder HTML2, make our HTML file, that is index.html. Like I have discussed the structure of HTML in my previous tutorial. We will be going with that. HTML tag, then head tag, then body tag. Inside the body tag we write the code which we want to show on our web pages. So today, as I told you, we will be discussing about the tables, HTML tables. So we go with the table tag, we end the table tag. So table is divided in rows and columns. For rows we use tr, that is table row, and we go with td, that is table data. Yeah, so we can have multiple tds in a single row. Row is the parent tag of table data. So I won't be speaking too much, we will just look over the code because lectures are boring. See here, you don't need to go with name and HTML tables, class, anything. This is just data you can put your own. It is just to demonstrate that you can write inside the td tag. You will have to place your things in td. Okay, yeah, I have saved this and we will launch, we will run the code. So yeah, as we can see a table here, 3 rows with 2 columns in each row. We are not bounded, we can have multiple numbers of column in a single row. Like this table is not looking good right now, we will be looking over it. So table has its attribute which is border. We can give border. See, I have given 1. So after refreshing our page, we can see borders on the table. You can increase its value as suitable, and see the border has got its own weight. Yeah, you can give any of the values, any values in table border according to your need and your requirements. I'm going with 1 again. Yeah, so along with the border, table has got one more attribute which is align. You can align the table. So I have given center, so you can see this table in the center of your web page. If you go with left, it is by default left. You can also assign it left. Right, it will go to the right. Fine, so let's go with the center, and we will be looking over some of the other attributes of HTML tables. It has its width. You can assign width in pixel, that is if you go with 800, it is its width is increased just because of the width which we have assigned in its attribute. It has got one more attribute which is height. You can assign height as well. You can say, let's say 500. See, so its area has been increased. Similarly, You can also give background color to the table with bg color attribute, and you can either type the name of the color, like we go with yellow, and you can see the color behind the tables, that is yellow. We can also go with the hexadecimal code, which you can easily find on the internet. See, the hexadecimal code has got its own effect. So now we will be looking over the attributes of tr and td. We can also give this attribute, the very same attribute, in td as well. Like in this code right now, this name is fixed in left, so we can give the attribute align and its value center, resulting in this name has come inside the complete td. Similarly, we can assign this to the every td, if you guys belongs to India and if you are watching this, seriously यार बहुत पागलपन है, कुछ नहीं है. Anyway, देखते जाओ बस क्या हो रहा है. हाँ, ये सारी चीज़ें बीच में आ गई. अगेन वी गो विथ, चलो और कुछ भी दें, समथिंग न्यू. तो चलो अपन क्या देते हैं, बीजी कलर. ये वाली टीडी में हमने इसमें बीजी कलर दिया, हम इसमें बीजी कलर दे देते हैं, लेट्स से रेड. सी द इफेक्ट. सिमिलरली अब ये हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन अस कि हाउ ब्यूटीफुल वी कैन क्रिएट अ टेबल, बिकॉज जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. या इट्स क्वाइट ईजी यार, इसमें कुछ भी बहुत बड़ा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. सिर्फ एट्रीब्यूट्स को ठीक से जगह पे लगाओ एंड गो फॉर इट. लाइक या यू कैन सी इट. You can change the value, let's say saffron, we go with white and we go with green. Let's create a tricolor, our Indian flag. Okay, saffron is not assigned. Yeah, saffron doesn't has its value, so we will go with orange. Yeah, you can see it's a tricolor. And what else? Yeah, inside the td we are putting a code, or we are putting our value inside the td. So inside the td we can also put any of the HTML tag inside td, any of the. For example, हम नेम के आगे लेट्स गो विद दिस वन h1. Let's go with bold for HTML table. Never forget to close the tags, never. See, this is h1 and this is the very same पहले जैसे ही, सिर्फ ये बोल्ड हो चुका है. We can go with italic tag. See, this one is italic. What else we can do? This is quite a good example. So we can also put images inside the table. How? So हमने एक और रो बनाई, we have created one more row and we will place image inside this. Image src, we don't have image right now, we will have it. Yeah, so here is the image. We copy its name and we again go back to our code. So it is mandatory to give complete path. आधे अधूरे से काम तो कहीं भी नहीं चलता है. So after putting the name of the folder, then we have mentioned the name of the image. So let's see how does it look. Yeah, oh my god, what is that? It's nothing. The image size is quite big, that is why it has acquired the complete web page. So not a big deal. Again, image tag has got its own attribute. We can minimize its width along with the height. Let's say 200, and this one, and we again refresh our code, and again we get, see, this is 100 pixel height, 100 pixel width with 200 pixel height, and we have already aligned center. So this one, fine. So it's not only about TD, we can also give background color to both the to complete row. See, BG color in TR, and we go with what? We go with let's say blue. See, just because it has not come yet, because we have also assigned BG color in this one, in this respective next TD. So we remove that, and now you can see you don't need to give particularly. If you want to give color to the complete row, just go with the table row. You can put BG color in TR. You don't need to go with particular TD and put the same color. If you're going with the same color, you can go with this. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can like, comment and subscribe. In the next tutorial, we will be playing with the tables. Like, we will be creating some of the beautiful structures, so stay tuned. Thank you.